to this program and the certification than just about breakdowns of different foods, health benefits, and then how to like give that to your clients. This goes so much beyond that. So in the Nutritious Life's 8 pillars, we talk about 1, eating empowered, sweat often, stress less, sleep deep, live consciously, drink up. I'm talking about hydration, people. Nurture yourself, and love more. So when you focus on combining these 8 pillars, this is what it means to be a Nutritious Life certified nutrition and a wellness coach, because you are applying these 8 pillars into your business strategy and how you go about coaching your clientele. And because Keri Glassman's approach is so whole person centered, it's in complete alliance with who I am as a person and how I go about coaching my clients. Because everything has to be individualized, and there's no one quick fix that we can focus on. There's so many layers to why people are a certain way, why people are not taking good care of themselves, and it goes so much beyond what they're eating and how they're working out.